Alright, so this is a review for the DYMO LabelManager 160 handheld label maker. It's already out of the box. Turning it on, we'll start off from the beginning. So you have 3 batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries. Sorry, I was mistaken. It actually takes 6 AAA batteries. So it takes 6 AAA batteries, which is kind of steep. Because AAA batteries, you know, that's like $8 right there for just the batteries. But it seems to be holding the life of the batteries pretty good. This opens up and it comes with this tape. It's not very much. I don't think it's a full roll, but black ink on white tape. Now the 2 holes go on the bottom, so when you install it, you just make sure that it goes in, push it down like that, and then you close it and it's ready to go. So now when you turn it on, it shows up, it starts by saying DYMO. Alright, and then you can change whether it's all capital or not capital. You can change the size of the font. You can put bold, italic, underline, and then you can also do it vertical. So if we just say hello, that's what it'll look like when it comes out. I'm not a big fan of the italic for this, but if I just go ahead and say hello, and then we print it, it'll print out the top. That didn't work. Alright, well, as you can see, I guess I didn't put it in right because it's just kind of stuck right there, so I'll have to waste some of that. Put it back in the right way. And then to cut it, I'm just messing this all up, show you how hard it can be, but it's really not that hard. Let's try it again. So print it. Cut it. There you go. Now that I think I have it the right way, let's try it one more time. We'll say goodbye, and that's how we'll finish. So, goodbye. Cut it. There you go. So I showed you how not to do it and then how to do it. So if you're looking for not a cheap, but if you're looking for a decently priced label maker, I would recommend this one. In comparison to a banana, a normal sized banana, you can see the size comparison. So there you go.
I just made these, and these are probably my favorite. These are called Jewel, and they are launching soon. So follow my business page, and so you'll be in the know with everything Launch Days Pop-Up Shop.